Hello, everybody. So it's another Sunday, which means it's another meal plan. Now, I didn't post one last week. No, I didn't. I didn't post one. I ended up with pretty bad food poisoning. Want to hear about that? I will gladly share because I'm actually debating or not whether or not I was going to make a video on it anyway. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, so it's another Sunday, which means meal plan. Yesterday, I sat down with my husband and we kind of like sorted out something because Wednesday is going to be crazy busy. It's not going to be like crazy busy, but it's going to be busy. 2 of our animals are going for surgery that day. And then I have a couple of things I need to do on top of that. So it's going to be a busy day. Okay, so let's turn on the camera up here so that way you can see what I'm writing here. And we'll get started on this meal plan. Now I'm certain everybody can see what I'm writing. Other than you can't see, like you can't read my chicken scratch. Like seriously, I have really bad handwriting. Okay, now please remember that this is starting from next Sunday. So tomorrow is what the meal plan is starting on here. All right, so again, Wednesday, crazy busy. It is going to be leftovers. I really do need to get myself those fine tip pens. Friday is always takeout. I can spell today too. Let's try again. Okay, so that is that. Those 2 days out of the way. Does anyone else do that where they have like a day that is designated for takeout or, you know, frozen meals, or just where I'm not cooking, you figure it out? Anyone else? Friday for me. Okay, now this is where it's going to get interesting because we were trying to sort this out and it's just like, you know what, whatever. So Monday is going to be quesadillas. And I hate trying to spell certain words. So, quesadillas. And then I'm going to make a rice with it. I personally probably am not going to be making the rice from scratch. I have I don't remember the name brand. Something Ben. It'll come to me later. I have a couple of those. One is Mexican rice and one's Spanish rice. I probably will cook up one of those, but we'll see. We'll see. You never know. I might do something else. Okay, so with that, with the quesadillas, it's going to be a pack of chicken thighs and a pack of stewing beef. I won't use an entire pack of chicken and beef for that. So we are going to make chicken and beef pot pies the day after to use that meat. That does say beef, I swear, it's not a T. Okay, I do plan on filming both of those. I don't believe I have videos for those. Then we've got Thursday. Okay, so Thursday, I'm gonna be home all day. I typically would be at work, but I took the day off because my animals are gonna be in surgery the day before. Someone needs to be home with them to just make sure they're gonna be okay. And my husband's working. So we're going to do pork chops. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. I kept brainstorming. I'm trying to think of ideas because I just don't want, you know, pan-fried pork chops. I'm not sure what I'm doing with them yet. Leave me some ideas. Leave me some ideas down below. Because I also have two different types of pork chops. I have the pork loin chops, and then I have the pork center chops, which one has bones and one doesn't have bones. Yeah. Yes, that's what I got. We typically always have rice with pork chops, but I'm thinking maybe mashed potatoes. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. And then I don't know what else I'll be doing with that. It could be corn, it could be peas. No, probably not peas. Peas and pork chops. Not sure yet. Okay. So that leaves Saturday and Sunday. Now both Saturday and Sunday, both my husband and I are home. Because again, work schedule changes. Work schedule changes all the time. It's hard to keep up with. Hence why the meal planning. So I have pasta written down. Pasta, however you say it. I'm thinking because we're doing takeout that day. And probably by this point, there probably won't be too many leftovers. Maybe we'll do it Saturday. Nice and easy. And then Sunday, I actually don't have anything. I've only got those 6 days sorted out. I don't, sorry guys, there's something just went into my eye. I don't have another day sorted out. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave blank this one, that way we can change the pasta from Saturday to Sunday. And if my husband wants to cook a day, then we can cook a day. Okay, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, okay, leave me your pork chop ideas. I need some pork chop ideas. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave me your pork chop ideas, and don't forget to leave me your meal plan for the week. So in this way we can all share and get some more ideas for different meals to try. Okay, all right, I'm done blabbering. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.